Everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful Saturday. Welcome back to Stock and Lock, February 27th. I'm your host, Chris, and last weekend in February. So I want to make sure you guys are all set for this upcoming week to make some money and to eat. I did not post a video yesterday, so to replace yesterday's videos, I will be doing one today with a screen share, just to switch it up a bit so you guys can take a look at my screen and follow along with me. So jumping right into it, the stock we're going to be focused on for this upcoming week will be Ideonomics, ticker symbol IDEX. Ideonomics is in the EV sector and trading a little over $3 at the time of this recording, as you can see right here. All right, I will give you a quick rundown of IDEX, go over fundamentals, a little background about the company, price targets, talk about why I'm bullish on it, and then we can jump into our lock for today. So Ideonomics, all right, they are in the EV sector, and really I'll give you a quick rundown. They assist their customers with the adoption of commercial electric vehicles and also supports next generation financial services and fintech products, aka financial technology products. You can think of Idex having just two main divisions they split into. The first division is this one right here. It's going to be called the electric vehicle division, which focuses on commercial electric vehicles only. And they are also known as Ideonomics Mobility. Ideonomics Mobility really provides group purchasing discounts to its customers on electric vehicles and EV batteries. All right, guys. The other division is Ideonomics Capital, which provides fintech solutions that include intelligent and innovative fintech services and solutions powered by AI and blockchain. So, you know, they continue to build upon their holistic suite of services to ensure clients' safety and profitability engage with new and exciting technologies. So in addition to these two divisions that they're pretty much split into at the time right now, together Ideonomics Mobility and Ideonomics Capital provide their global customers with better solutions for a greener economy. Okay, so although Idex is getting a lot of recognition and has about $1.5 billion market cap with some cool EV and fintech brands, you guys have to understand that they are mainly riding this type of EV wave right now. All right, in the last 6 months, this stock has rose over 300%. But if you have been paying close attention to the market as of late with this short-term volatility, this has dropped significantly over the last about month or so. Okay, guys, buy when there's blood in the street, even if the blood is yours, right? Ideonomics really just keeps buying different businesses after businesses, okay? Beginning of January, if we look right here, Ideonomics, so January 5th, announced that it signed an agreement to acquire another company called Wave, okay? So what Wave is, if you look at what Wave is, what they're doing here is pretty much wireless charging for commercial vehicles, medium and heavy duty EV vehicles as well. In their fintech, they acquired Timios as well, which is a real estate title and escrow company. They bought it for cash for $40 million. And in my opinion, that is a great investment due to the high growth of the real estate market and also the EV sector. Now, moving on to the big catalyst for Ideonomics, which I'm sure you guys are all waiting to hear. Ideonomics will announce its, right here, they'll announce its sales forecast quarterly and full year financial results on Wednesday, March 31st. All right, this is huge. According to the CEO, revenue streams are already pretty more diverse than what we saw in 2020. And there is one issue with IDEX actually. And the only problem I can really see here is that although all of these acquisitions are promising for the economy and for the company, it also takes a lot of money to constantly be acquiring new businesses. And that is why it has to consistently raise this type of capital and also at times dilute its shares. On February 8th, if we look right here, Ideonomics said that they actually had raised $80 million to convertible notes. Okay, $80 million to convertible notes and these convertible notes actually paid interest at an annual rate of 4%. Okay, guys, 4%, and has a conversion feature at the price of $4.95 per share. Now, convertibles luckily do not dilute shares alone, but right after that, on February 12th, the company filed for another 12.5 million share stock offering by selling shareholders. And because of that, the stock dropped from $4.75 in the next few days all the way to $3.71. Okay. In addition to this, they are constantly raising money, but this shareholder dilution is a bit of a problem. Okay. I'm not going to lie to you guys. As current outstanding shares has grown to a total of $371 million. And the bigger problem for me here is really that because of this business model and the fact that Ideonomics has this rapid growth of prospects, and they're pretty much primarily relying on this type of acquisition business strategy, it will require constant funding. And the bottom line for me is that these fluctuations will continue as the company solidifies itself. And the date to look out for really is this March 31st date. Okay. This March 31st date will be key. It is coming up here. Okay. March 31st. Take a look out. Should be right around here. And we can expect it to go up around $5 for March 31st. In addition, that is a huge day for IDX and for you as an investor as well. I strongly believe that this is a great long-term investment, and this short-term volatility is really something to keep an eye out for. It will continue over this short term, but if you're willing to ride the roller coaster and make sure that make sure that you guys are staying in this for the longer term and buckle your seatbelt up. I have a price target, like I mentioned, for about $5 in April 1st, by April 1st for this, with some short-term volatility ahead of schedule. So just be wary of that, but you definitely want to get in this Monday morning. All right, guys, moving on to our lock pick for today. We're going to be focusing on Prairie View A&M Panthers, NCAA men's basketball. They're taking on Alabama A&M Bulldogs. The spread is right around 9.5 to the Prairie View A&M Panthers. The reason why I'm choosing this game today is if we look at the total for against the spread trends in NCAA, they are sitting at number one spot here, guys. They are covering 11-2, 84% against the spread. I follow numbers, I follow data, I follow statistics. With these type of numbers, this is a lock in my opinion. This is one I'm going to be putting heavy money into, and I want to see you guys take this as well. Game starts at 2:30 Pacific time, and let's make this money. Stock and lock out.